The four walls of classrooms have gone and been replaced by open learning spaces. This is a totally unique approach here within Hong Kong, we feel, with the students moving around, self-selecting, working out which environment they want to be in for which part of their learning. And as I say, this requires our teachers to approach their role in a very, very different way to a traditional teacher.
We need students to really step into the 21st century and be able to process information, to be able to handle any situation.
They need to have access to the most updated technology that we can provide for our students. That means that we've had to invest really quite heavily in how our infrastructure supports the technological devices that we have in the school.
No matter how long you've been in education, to embrace this new style, we all need to break out of these old habits and mindsets, and they're giving us that. You know, they're giving us the resources, the opportunities, the training.
We have to open our minds, and that's where the training comes in. And we have training to do with regards to IT as well.
Our teachers are beginning to feel fully empowered in their use of technology. So rather than the old mindset of seeing technology as a barrier, now it's seen as an opportunity to produce something phenomenal with our students.
The school also invested a lot in tracking the student progress.
All our teachers are being trained to do that, for example.
So when you change your pedagogy, you need to invest in your educators.
We are using the small learning communities model where we are encouraging students to work collaboratively.
Year 7 can work with a Year 8 student, a Year 9 student can work with upper school students. Give the students the freedom to explore. So with project-based learning, you know, we just give them the framework.
With the project-based learning, all the subjects get to come together to pursue one big end goal, and the students can see that.
And with integrated projects, you don't have to be in one class. You can go and talk to all of your year.
Our teacher gave us rubrics before every integrated project, so we know what the teacher will expect us to do. Then we can decide our own what to do, how to present, and a lot of other things.
We want students to think critically. We want students to be able to read something and decide if it's true or false. We want students to be able to compare sources of information. Using a curriculum that is content-driven really does not equip students with these skills.